Greetings everybody and welcome to today's show. For today's adventure I visited the Asian Lantern Festival at the Pittsburgh Zoo. This is an evening event featuring giant luminous handcrafted sculptures, including extinct and endangered animals, mostly dinosaurs. You can also learn about Asian history through some of their live shows, and also enjoy themed food and entertainment. You can find more about this at their website at www.pittsburghzoo.org, where you buy dated and timed tickets. The time goes from 6:30 p.m. till 10:30 p.m. So this is an evening only event. Now please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining content. And let's get started with today's adventure. Walking up to the entrance of the zoo, we're greeted by this welcoming arch filled with lighted dinosaurs. Later, after getting our tickets, I walked through a lighted lantern archway. I came out of the archway up the escalator to this main open area, also surrounded by lanterns. I then entered the main part of the festival by walking through the Dragon Gate. This led me to the main part of the festival where the main displays were at. Some of them had water features, interactive features, and also animation. I then came to a clearing where I ran into these Weeble Wobble Chinese New Year animals. Each animal represents a different year and that year's personality. I then ran into my first section of dinosaurs. After all that walking, I worked up a ferocious appetite. I decided to stop by the Jambo Grill to see what kind of snacks were waiting for me. Looking at their menu, they had many tyrannical treats. We had the Jambo Selections, barbecue burger, cheeseburger, hamburger, hoagie, chicken tenders, hot dog, french fries, pizza, different kinds of salads, the kiddie meal, peanut butter and jelly, different types of drinks, and they even had special Asian selections for this event. They had a banh mi burger for $14.99 and some other Asian selections, the yakitori chicken skewers, which I did get, fried rice with soy chicken, vegetable spring rolls, and miso buttered corn. I started with my favorite, the pepperoni pizza, which consisted of the standard bread, cheese, and pepperoni. That was $5.99. Next, I tried the Asian selection of yakitori chicken skewers. They were $8.99. These consisted of 2 skewers of chicken meatballs with sesame seeds, a sesame sauce, and some type of green onions. After that, I went outside to the Safari Plaza. Outside there was an outdoor eatery, ice cream parlor, seats, and also a stage setup with various forms of entertainment such as traditional Chinese dance and music. I decided to continue to walk around the Asian Lantern Festival and look at some more of the interactive displays, some of which moved, some of which had water, some of which you could pose in front of. So that was my tour of the Asian Lantern Festival at the Pittsburgh Zoo. Looking at everything from the lighted displays to the food to the entertainment, this is a really fun, family-oriented night. Reviewing this entire venue, from the lights to the food to the entertainment, I think I'm going to give this 4 out of 5 keys. The entertainment was fun and original, the food was pretty decent, and the lighted displays are beautiful. This is definitely something you should try out. Please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining content. And also follow me on Facebook and YouTube.